Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download Anydesk and then you can connect your laptop to another laptop. Then you can control that laptop or PC remotely. So go in Google and just write Anydesk download. Download. You're gonna click enter on that. So there is a lot of website. So where is ads? So leave the ad one, scroll down, and where is a remote desktop software for Windows Anydesk. This is the professional website for Anydesk. You're gonna click on that. So when you click, then this website will appear. So make sure you have this website. Then you're gonna click download now. So click download now. So it's gonna start downloading it. Sometimes this appear on the top right, sometimes appear at the bottom. You can see is software. So when it's completed, just you yes, it's done now. So sometimes it appear on the top right. So just you're gonna click on any disk like over here. Then it's gonna be appear like this. So yeah, because I already downloaded, it's gonna be open like this. So where is the enter remote address? So enter remote address. If you're gonna go to the other laptop or computer, they're gonna send it to you. You're gonna put it here. Then you're gonna just log in. So this is simple, straightforward. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.